Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, congratulations to Chelsea. Chelsea qualified for the Conference League semi-final by aggregate. Yes, I am happy. I am happy that Chelsea qualified as a Chelsea fan. Chelsea moving to the semi-final of the UEFA Conference League. Yes, because Chelsea being in this competition, that is not where we should be. And that is not our level. So playing a tournament that is not your level, make sure that at the end of the day you win. Make sure that at the end of the day you progress and qualify. Yes, and Chelsea did that. We qualify. But the issue is that in Stamford Bridge, this game play Stamford Bridge, the second league, we lost this game. But we qualify based on aggregate, as I said. The first league, yes, we won by 3-0. They are home. And to be honest, guys, Chelsea caliber and this team, my respect to Legia Warsaw, my respect to them. I don't see Chelsea losing this game in Stamford Bridge. Even if it were to be that, maybe the first league, Chelsea won in Stamford Bridge and lost away in their home, Poland. For that one, we can say, okay, maybe because it is their home, they refuse, yes, for us to beat them. But coming to our home, returning league, and won. And Chelsea only qualify based on aggregate or by aggregate. No. For that one, I can't comprehend this. Even if Chelsea will bring our academy players to play this game in Stamford Bridge, Chelsea should not lose this game. No. I'm not being negative. I am happy Chelsea will qualify. But guys, Chelsea, no, I just want to comprehend it. I just want to understand, or maybe come out with excuse. Maybe the reason why Chelsea lost this game in Stamford Bridge. I can't come out with any excuse as a Chelsea fan. No. Because we can't even say we use our team B and play this game. We can't even say that. Because this game, all our first team players, yes, they play this game. Cole Palmer played this game, Jackson play, Neto play, Sancho play, except Caicedo, yes, and Enzo Fernandez, yes. So we can have an excuse. Chelsea should lose this game in Stamford Bridge. Listen, in Stamford Bridge, home. Charlie, no, it doesn't make sense. No, it can't work. I'm trying to understand it. The reason why we lost this game. If someone asks me, Richman, okay, Chelsea lost this game, what is your reason? I can't say anything, and I will not know what to say. I'm telling you. How on earth? Stamford Bridge, Legia Warsaw. No. This is not the Chelsea that we used to know. This is not the Chelsea that we started supporting. This is bad. This kind of games, it's supposed to be our academy guys. Come and dismantle them, scatter them into pieces. Just give them 5 or 6 goals. These kind of games, as a team, you use it to improve yourself, bring your scoring ability back. Yes, organize yourself, bring your confidence, build your confidence. No. But them coming to our home, we have to win based on aggregate. Chelsea Football Club, my Chelsea Football Club, your Chelsea Football Club. Abrahamovic Chelsea Football Club, Drogba Chelsea Football Club, Lampard Chelsea Football Club, John Terry Chelsea Football Club. How on earth? I can't believe this. See, this is a big shame. I'm not happy. I am happy Chelsea will qualify, but I'm not happy about this game. Chelsea will lose this game. This is bad. And let's come to Enzo Maresca, guys. Recently, when I see Enzo Maresca as Chelsea boss, it reminds me of under Frank Lampard, his management, his second season in Chelsea. That was 2019 to 2020 season. His second season in Chelsea. In fact, now Maresca has been exposed. See, Enzo Maresca tactics has been figured out. Yes. Now, see, Enzo Maresca cannot be Chelsea manager going forward. I'm telling you. I am sorry to say this. Chelsea, I don't see Chelsea having a future with Enzo Maresca. Maybe in the future, he can go back and learn and come back to Chelsea in the future and perform as a manager. But for now, Enzo Maresca tactics will not work. Guys, I'm telling you, Enzo Maresca tactics will not work in Chelsea. In Chelsea, it won't work. He has been figured out. Yes, the season we started well. We were scoring goals. Yes, winning games. Yes, but this is big team, particularly in the Premier League. If you are dominating the Premier League, your team is dominating the. Other teams, they are going to do a lot of research about you, your tactics. They will watch videos, do all the research that they can do to make sure that they stop you from dominating. And immediately, Premier League teams figure out Enzo Maresca tactics. That is all. Now, they finish. The man is empty. When we come to tactics, currently, Enzo Maresca is bankrupt. His tactics, his style of play cannot work anymore. He has failed. He has been exposed completely. In fact, Enzo Maresca has been figured out. Forget. It can't work today. It can't work tomorrow. It can't work next season. I'm telling you. Enzo Maresca doesn't have plan B, plan C, plan D. No. His plan A started. It was working. Now, they figure it out. And now he doesn't have any plan again. No. So, guys, you see the way we are playing. We can't beat any top opponent. We can't use Enzo Maresca style of play to beat any quality opponent. I'm telling you. Our slow passing, yes, no determination, no urgency on the ball, no pressure. Who allow you to go and score him? No. You have to force opponent to make mistake before you can score. No. Nobody will open his backline for you to come and score with your slow passes. Yes, your predictable style of play. No. So, Charlie, Enzo Maresca style of play. For me, as a Chelsea fan, Chelsea changing managers, everything, I'm not happy with it. At least, let's stay with one manager and see what the future will hold for us. But we can't hold or stay with a manager when we can't even see the future from the beginning. No. Having a manager for a long time is good. But when you have a manager and he's sending you to championship, are you telling me that for that matter you will continue using him? You will continue? No. So guys, see, Enzo Maresca tactics has been figured out. He doesn't have plan B. And this game, he played Reece James in the midfield. I don't know. It is not working. Play your players the position they can give their best. That is all. Look at this, our young team. When they are playing as if they are pregnant women. We have young team, 20 years, 22, 23, 24. I think Tosin is the oldest among them, 26 or 20. We have a young team. But when Chelsea is playing, you will not see any energy from the players. You will not see any aggressiveness. Nothing to show that indeed Chelsea have a young squad, a young team. Nobody is showing intensity. Nothing. And it is due to Enzo Maresca tactics. Slow progression, slow football, slow passing. We can't beat any opponent. I am fear. I am panic. I'm skeptical about Chelsea making top four this season with this Enzo Maresca tactics style of play, guys. Yes, Chelsea, we are too predictable. Any team can defend very well against Chelsea. Yes, this team, Legia Warsaw, they were just lacking some little quality. 2 or 3 or 4 quality players to win this game. I'm telling you, if we meet any quality opponent in this conference league, Charlie, it will be hard for Chelsea to win that game. And because of Enzo Maresca's style of play, we are too predictable. And the season is ending. So as a manager, what should you do? Make sure that you approach any game intensive way, urgency way, pressure way, determination way. See, let the guys know that you must win at all costs. Let the guys play must-win football. Not sideways passes, back passes, what. We could saw that nobody was in the stadium. Yes. See, next season, if Chelsea doesn't make top 4 or Chelsea not playing Champions League football next season, these owners, they will see. We will let them know that they bought Champions League club. They bought a big club like Chelsea. No. The year they bought Chelsea, we were the latest club holding Super Cup. Yes, all the European trophies, we were the latest club holding them. Chelsea is not a small team. Chelsea is not a wage cup team. No. Chelsea is not Kellerman team or McGill team or Nicola Jackson team. Chelsea were signing top-notch players, already proven players. Not signing young guys across the globe, Ecuador, Brazil, Africa. No. Chelsea is not that team. No, no, no. Chelsea is a team of winning. Chelsea is a team of quality players. Drogba and co. Giving us results and trophies. So, guys, Enzo Maresca style of play. For me, I give up. As a Chelsea fan, now the top 4, I'm just praying for Chelsea to qualify for top 4. Because of we the fans, and not because of the owners or Enzo Maresca. For these two people, for them, they are trying to kill the winning mentality in Chelsea. Now, it left with Chelsea fans. So, for me, I'm just hoping that Chelsea make top 4 because of we the fans. Because for me as a Chelsea fan, I can't see Arsenal playing Champions League every season. I am playing Conference League. As a Chelsea fan, if you can imagine, guys, watching Arsenal and Real Madrid, the next day you are watching Chelsea and Liga Warsaw in the Conference League. As a Chelsea fan, like just imagine it. Just imagine it. Today you watch Champions League. Look at the quality of football we saw yesterday and during the Champions League games. And the next day you are watching Chelsea, your team, in the Conference League. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, Chelsea qualify based on aggregate. Yes, let me hear from you. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.